In the stillness of the desert night, a man leaves his beloved homeland, not in fear but in unshakable faith. This is Hijrat-e-Madina, a journey of truth, sacrifice and divine purpose. Hunted, threatened, yet walking with absolute trust in Allah, they left Mecca not for safety, but to protect a message of peace, justice and the worship of one true God. And Allah opened the gates of Medina, the city of light. From that moment, Islam spread not by the sword, but through mercy, sacrifice and love. Remember, every step taken for Allah is a step toward His mercy. Hijra was not an escape, it was the birth of a new world.